Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you open Waze and instead of seeing your car on the map, you get a message of no GPS. So basically you can see your location, or your location is bouncing around, stuck in the wrong spot, or just not showing up at all. So this is one of the most common frustration issues in Waze, but it's almost always fixable. So let me walk you through exactly what to do. First and first, we're gonna go ahead and check our location permission. On iPhone, go through settings, privacy and security, location services, make sure location services is on, scroll to Waze and set it to while using the app or always. Most importantly, enable precise location. On Android, go through settings, location, mode, and select high accuracy. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for the best signal. If you are using Waze in your car like Android Automotive, go through settings, apps, Waze, permissions and select allow all the time or allow only while using the app. Then turn off battery saver mode. Since battery saver modes often turn off GPS to save power, we kinda all know this. Disable battery saving or optimize your battery settings for Waze. Then you can turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to help stabilize your network, and the classic solution is restarting your phone. A hard restart is one of the most effective fixes for GPS issues. Hold the power button and select restart. For the position, make sure you position your phone correctly. Use the raw GPS debug tool to see if something is off. Then, if it's an app problem, you can clear the cache or reinstall. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.